Hey y'all, thank you so much for joining me today. I want to show you how easy it is to make your own sugar scrub at home. I love this recipe because it's really moisturizing and it's great for this time of year. Plus, with Valentine's Day coming up, I figured it would be perfect because you could either gift it or keep it for yourself, and it's just a really fun, easy recipe to make. So yeah, and then also just to let you know, the recipe is in my book. It is on page 104, so if you already have it, you can tune in with me. And then also, if you don't have a copy, you can get it on Amazon. But I will also be having this recipe on my website, so if you don't have a copy of the book, that is okay. Just head over to my website, theholisticmother.com, and the recipe will be on there. So yeah, let's just jump right into it, and I'll bring you in closer. Let's get started. So we're going to start off here with half a cup of coconut oil, and then we're going to be adding in 2 tablespoons of shea butter. And then once you add that in, just put on the top and then blend it all up until it is completely smooth. You can also use a hand mixer if you don't have one of these little food processors. Just whatever you have on hand, just make sure you mix it up as much as possible to get it as smooth as possible. And then once it is all nice and smooth, you're going to transfer this mixture over into a bowl. Now that we have that mixture into a bowl, I'm going to be adding in half a cup of sugar and then also adding in the essential oils. You don't have to use essential oils if you don't want to, but I love the way it smells. You can also play around with which oils you want to use. Today I'm using lavender, but I also love using blends and all sorts of different oils. So just play around and see what works for you. And then I'm going to be mixing it all up until it's nice and smooth and combined. This next part is also totally optional, but I am going to be adding in some lavender flowers. I just love the way it smells, and I think it adds a little extra something, so why not? You can also add in rose or really any flower you want. Now all that's left is adding it into a container, and then you're all done. It's really that easy. Thank you so much for making it all the way through this video. I really appreciate it. And like always, if you have any questions at all, please let me know. I always love the feedback. And just a reminder, this recipe is in my book, The Holistic Mother's Guide, which is on Amazon. So if you haven't picked up a copy yet, please do. That really helps support the show and support us. So yeah, I really appreciate you being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.